rasio, mae croeso chi'n neud oherwydd bod nhw ar fi'n cychwyn gwneud hynny nawr. Mae'n eitha twy mas yna, felly os na chi'n licio bod yn llygad yr hael, dwi'n rhybyddio chi bod chi'n mynd i fod yn llygad yr hael. If you'd like to go out and see the dancers, they are just about to begin their routine out in the front of the chapel. You're welcome to watch.
Shmai.
هرچی خوبی توی دنیاست خدا به قلب تو داد چقدر عشق و مهربونی
Gyfeillion. Noswaith da i chi, a chroeso cynnes iawn i chi gyd i Tabernacl Treforys. Chydig yn hwyr yn dechrau, ond falle bod hwnni'n fanteisio, lle bydd wedi cwrw lawr tym bach erbyn bod chi'n clywed yr eitemau i gyd. Felly, hyfryd croesawu'r rhai sydd yn bresennol yma yn y cnawd, ac hefyd ni'n croesawu'r rhai sydd yn ymuno ni yn rhithiol. Mae'n bleser mawr eich croesawu i'r adeilad arbennig hwn. Mae llawer yn cyfeirio at y Tabernacl fe glwsoch ei prynawna fel eglwys gadeiriol anghydffurfiaeth. Ac rydym yn gobeithio eich bod wedi cael cyfle i edmygu rhywfaint o'i harddwch tra bod chi'n dod i fewn yma heno. Nid hanes yr adeilad fodd bynnag yw prif bwrpas ein cyfarfod heno. Rydym yma i fwynhau cwmni ein gilydd, i ddathlu cyfoeth ein diwylliant ac i estyn croeso cynnes i gynadleddwyr Undeb yr Annibynwyr Cymraeg, ynghyd â ffrindiau o eglwysi a chymunedau eraill. Mae'n fraint i aelodau'r Tabernacl eich croesawu chi yma, ac yn wir yn fraint ni fel eglwys ac fel cyfundeb, croesawu'r Undeb i'r ardal Treforys a'r Cylch. A very warm welcome to everyone. We are delighted that you are with us this evening as we gather at the beginning of the annual meetings of the Union of Welsh Independent Churches. We extend a special welcome to all our guests and to those who will be taking part in tonight's programme. Croeso felly i Barti Llwchwr, i bawb sydd wedi cytuno i gyfrannu'r noson hon. Mae Abertawe yn ddinas Noddfa, ac yn yr ysbryd hwnnw rydym yn falch o groesawu pobl o gefndiroedd a diwylliannau amrywiol, trwy gerddoriaeth, barddoniaeth a dawns, cawn gyfle i ddathlu'r doniau a'r traddodiadau sydd ein cyfoethogi ni i gyd. A special welcome to those who have joined us from different cultures and backgrounds. We are delighted that you are here and look forward to sharing this evening together. Felly, gawn ni droed yr arglwydd mewn gweddi i ddechrau'n noson. Ein tad nefol, diolchwn i ti am y fraint o ddod ynghyd heno mewn cyfeillgarwch a chymdeithas. Diolch am bob un sy'n bresennol ac am bob un sy'n cyfrannu trwy gan, gerddoriaeth, barddoniaeth a dawns. Diolch am y doniau amrywiol a roddais ti dy bobl ac am y llywenydd y geir wrth ei rhannu gyda'n gilydd. Bendithiau'r cyfarfod heno, boed i'n canu ein gwrando a'n cydfwynhau fod y gymaint i'th enw. Elpa ni dyfu mewn deallturiaeth, parch a chyfeillgarwch wrth ni ddathlu'r hyn sy'n ein huno. Gofynnwn hyn yn enw Iesu Grist ein harglwydd. Amen. Mae Cyngerdd mewn gwirionedd sydd gyda ni heno, mae hynny mewn naws ysbrydol. Ac felly ni'n mynd i ganu emyn hefyd i agor y noson. As dim byd mwy addas na chanu blaen wern yma yn y Tabernacl. Cyfansoddwyd y dôn fel glwsoch ei prynawma gan William Penfro Rowlands, athro ysgol, cerddor ac arweinydd côr a fi'n byw ac yn gwasanaethu yma yn Treforys. Fe'i cyfansoddwyd yn wreiddiol ar gyfer oedfa gymyn yn y Tabernacl hwn. Felly mae'n briodol iawn i ni ddechrau noson gyda chan sydd wedi gwreiddio mor ddwfn yn hanes yr adeilad hwn a bywyd addoli Cymru. Blaen Wern yn ffarm yn Sir Benfro, Twfton, nid Penfro oedd yn byw yno, ond gafodd ei blentyn loches yno pam oedd yn bir sâl. Ac wrth gwrs wedi'n geiriau Rhys Niclas, un arall o Sir Benfro, sy'n biased o gwbl. Cyd ganwn, felly, yr emyn cyntaf ar y daflen. Diolch, Gareth.
Honestly, Steve, this is scary. Hi. Well, it's a very pretty sight from here. Lovely colors. Steve, thank you so much for inviting me today. Well, I was asked to introduce myself. Well, my name is Aruni McShane. Please don't ask where the surname come from, but it's there, right. So I'm here to recite a poem. I'm quite nervous actually, but I'll try to do it as the best possible way I can. Cool. So this poem is called The Architect's Bill from the Far, Far Right Land. The day chicks became the influencers on a palm-sized glowing screen scam, the day Earth was left to turn to hell, and Mars was packaged as the new heaven. Blinded by the glare, the farmer grew greedy and lecherous. Unable to resist the rocket to the heaven, and so he came up with a dark plan. Oops. See, this is what happened when I'm quite nervous. All right, let me start again, sorry. The day chicks became the influencers on a palm-sized glowing screen scam, the day Earth was left to turn to hell, and Mars was packaged as the new heaven. Blinded by the glare, the farmer grew greedy and lecherous. Unable to resist the rocket to the heaven, and so he came up with a dark plan. To turn his gang rats against the gang, the farmer looks across the mud and hungers for a wealth of blood, intent to fatten his own belly fat, forgetting humanity, harmony, and his heart of trust. He found the rats in field nearby, beneath a harsh and hungry sky, and whispered tales of fairer lands. Come, steal for me. Come, clear the loam. Together we will build a home. Help me take what the neighbors yield, and you shall share the golden field. They worked his soil, they took the blame, and built the fortune to his name. But in the farmer's eyes, the harvest fails, the coffers drain, the master counts his shrinking gain. But rather than confess his greed, or tend the soil, or sow the seed, he finds a dark, abandoned well, and builds an engineered hell. He traps his rat gang, one by one, beneath the shadow out of sun. For months he flings them scraps of meat, ensuring they have just enough to eat, until they learn to trust the hand that stole the freedom of their land. And then the heavy iron door claps shut. The meat arrives no more. The dark grows thick with hungry cries, as hope within the deep well dies. The hunger twists, the panic breeds, fed by the master's silent deeds. Look down, he whispers to the crowd. His voice was deceitful, sharp, and proud. See how they fight? See how they tear? They are the danger lurking here. While down below, to stay alive, the starving turn on those who strive. One survivor rat clambers out, deaf to the world's despairing shout. A creature molded by the pain, to hunt its own for master's gain, released into the open field, It tore the flesh of the village rats, killing one by one who comes its way. Smirking with blood-dripping teeth, it said it was their fault and their fate. Lunatic smile made the rats go wild. They too become spectacle and doubt whether it's truly their battle to fight for others or to mingle with the beastie beast and thrive by killing one another. But we see through the master's game. We see the hands that stoke the flame. Whether arriving on a shore or rooted here for years or more, the color of a person's skin, it's just bait they used to win. They paid the target on our backs to hide the state's systematic cracks. They pit the neighbor against friend, defending power to the end. But walls can crumble, wells can dry, and truth outlives the loudest lie. We refuse to be the bait he casts. The cage is theirs. I know you won't let it last. Thank you very much. Since I have a couple of more minutes, those who didn't understand the poem, because I'm a very bad poet, this poem was inspired by a little tale that I've heard of. There was this farmer who had lots of rats in his farm, so he wanted to do something about it, obviously, to protect his crops. So what he did was he put them into a well, and regularly he fed those rats, and then one day he stopped, and then the rats started to kill each other, and one strong rat survived. So what farmer did was quite cruel in a way. He took the rat out and released it to his fields. So the rat, instead of eating the crops, he ate other rats. So although it's not a very nice story, I thought the current political environment is quite similar to that, unfortunately. But I sincerely hope we all can see us as human beings and spread this most amazing feeling of love, of friendship as a community. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Swyddach, hoffwn i gan i darn hyfryd iawn gan gyfansoddwr Americanaidd Philip Kern o'r enw Angels Through the Night. I'd like to sing a piece by an American composer, a lovely piece called Angels Through the Night. Trefniant o dwy gan yw e. It's an arrangement of two songs. One, the African-American spiritual Angels Watching Over Me, ac wedyn, mae'n dechrau gyda can hyfryd iawn Gymraeg ar hyd y nos.
For soul to keep. Angels watching over me.
Hello. Does this work? Okay. So, hello everybody. We are the Harmon Dice Band, and today we're here to sing a few songs for you, which we hope you like. And one of our singers here is Paul, and then we have Esme here, and then we have Angel, and my name's Saida. Our pianist here is Terry, and then our drummer is Isaac. So, yeah.
need a hand. We all need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We all need somebody to lean on. There is a load you have to bear that you can't carry. Right up the road, I'll share your load if you just call me. Call me if you just call me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm from Iran and I will sing two songs, Persian song for you. Hope all enjoy that. Thank you. مکتوبی توی دنیاست، خدا به قلب تو داد چقدر عشق و مهربونی. پا به پات داره میاد وقتشه روزای خوبو با تو تجربه کنم. همه چیم شدی عزیزم، تو نباشی چه کنم؟ تو نخندی کی بخنده، به دلم کی دل ببنده. خنده ها درمون درده وقتی دیوونه کرده. تو نمونی کی بمونه، بدینه به مهربونه. که مثل تو خیر نشینه، خنده هات به دل میشینه. همه چی برگسته داره بلتای روشنت. چقدر به دل نشینی شدش به دوی تنت. دانست دارم یه جوری که به ذهنت نمیاد ساختن روزای بهتر فقط دستو برمیاد. تو نخندی کی بخنده، به دلم کی دل ببنده. خنده ها درمون درده مادنه که دیوونه کرده. تو نمونی کی بمونه، بدینه تو مهربونه. کی مثل تو دل نشینه، خنده هاش به دل میشینه. تو نخندی کی بخنده، به دلم کی دل ببنده. خنده ها درمون درده منو که دیوونه کرده. تو نمونی کی بمونه، کی مثل تو مهربونه. کی مثل تو دل نشینه، خنده هاش به دل میشینه. Thank you very much. Thank you. انا تخشل تناس، انا تیکه الماس، انا ای گل گندم، انا دختر مردم. چقدر رفت داشتم دادین بگذگاد چندم. هنا که دیزون چشات دل منو بردی. اینک کشتی کردی آخرم پس نیاوردی. شاخ دل نبات آخه نباش شیرین غمگین. چشم چند دیدم دلم پسندید. من عاشقت شدم رفت رموم کارم. از سینه بیرون اومد این قلب پارم. از در میای میپیچه صدای پاهات. از جای میخواد بمونه باهات، میخواد بمونه باهات. دلم میریزه از دلم میریزه. میخوام تارزومه از این یه چیزه. هنا چه شب رو مشکی از نسل خونشکی. میخوام بشونه همک نمیشی. چشمون سیاه از چرون من کرده دنیا تو از دایال هستشم درده توی قلب من ولول بپا کردی توی زندیاتون یاخن خون سرده 100 بار به نوت نوشتم من استخاره از دیول بیت برپوب اومد دوباره 100 بار به دعای تا تیش به جونم انداخت 1000 بار دلم رو پردید 100 بار دلم با 100 بار به دلم با هنای ریزه میزه میزه از دست دلم میریزه میخوام تار زومه همین یه چیزه هنا شب رو مشکی از نسل خونشکی اصلا میخوام بشونه ندم بشکی Not to shield us. Thank you very much, everyone.
Sy'n cyffroi calon a ffig liwn yn
It's been a kaleidoscopic evening. We are a kaleidoscope in Tabernacle Treforys this balmy summer night. Abertawe, as a Dinas Noddfa, is a kaleidoscope of culture, language, belief, and identity. Every living, healthy community, be it a union of churches or a city of sanctuary, can successively and successfully arrange itself in different patterns of different colours, which you would suppose to be alien incompatible, but to compose a new and beautiful pattern every single time. Diolch felly am y noson hon. I'll say just a few words about everyone who's had a part in the success of this evening, and then we'll all have an opportunity to thank them all at once with a good and loud dose of applause. Diolch am groeso gweinidog a ffyddloniad y Tabernacl, I Gareth wrth yr organ i'r côr, parti llwchwr, y cyfeilydd a'r arweinydd, ac I Martin a Fiona. Thank you for Latin expressions, for the dance and the dancing. The day job of feet is walking, but their hobby is dancing. We had a band, the ACC Youth Band, and what a band they are. You make it happen. Music washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life, and for some of us today has been a dusty day, and we've had a good wash down. Diolch Aruni a diolch Medi. Thank you Medi and thank you Aruni. Now, if I'm right, Aruni means dawn, rising sun or morning. So thank you for the light that you've brought to this place tonight. Truth outlives the loudest lie. And again, if I'm right, and I hope I am, Medi means the guided one. And thank you for guiding us to a new experience, to a new place and a new sound. Mae gen I ni gymaint I ddysgu a I dderbyn gan eraill, a chymaint hefyd o liw I dderbyn ac I gyfrannu I galeidosgop y gymuned byd eang. Diolch I bawb a fi ynglyn â threfiadau'r noson arbennig hon. Yn gwybod bod hi'n dwym, ond rowch real ymdrech i'r cymeradwyaeth. Os gwelwch yn dda.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Mr Llywydd. Gadewch I ni droed yr ail emyn ar y daflen. We'll sing the second hymn on this little sheet of paper that you have. O tyred un gwaredu I Iesu da. Diolch yn fawr, Gareth.
Abertawe
Diolchwn am y doniau a'r aniwd heno, am leisiau o wahanol leoedd. Boed ni fynd oddi yma yn adeiladwyr pontydd nid muriau, yn glidwyr tangnefedd nid ofn, ac yn dystion i gariad sy'n croesawu pawb. A gras ein harglwydd Iesu Grist, a chariad Duw, a chymdeithas yr ysbryd glân, a fyddo gyda ni. Amen.